Okay, good day, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, please do like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time that I post a video regarding to any crypto updates. And let's try to check this uh, gem or crypto gem. Currently, we're looking at Polx or Polylastic. So this is listed on KuCoin. You can buy it on KuCoin, and also you can swap it using MetaMask on Uniswap. Okay, so for me, let's check the monthly or the weekly first. So we are already at the bottom of this market. It already exceeds the uh, initial launch. Okay, so it dropped for about negative 62%. So if we pull a Fibonacci here from this point A to point B, so we will notice that uh, the price is almost negative 1.2, I guess. Where's the 1%? So this is the 100%. Okay, so this is the 100% uh, drop. You can see here. You can see this is one. So that's the 100%. So I think this is currently under negative somewhere 100 110. So negative 110% drop. So this potentially the bottom. For me, this could be the potential bottom. And if we reverse the Fibonacci so that we can notice the precise. So we put it here. We put it in the bottom. No, no. Here. So this is the real setup. So we are almost negative 18. So we're almost there. The potential can hit until 0.27 before it will pump. But for me, this is a continuation downtrend. There's a change of character here. Potential it will go up somewhere here. It will hit here and drop. But if ever this area will uh, violated, so it will ignore the resistance level. So the potential play will be uh, bounce in this upper resistance of the fork pitchfork. Okay, so that's the potential play. So uh, this is already a discounted entry for spot traders. So you can already buy, or you can now buy here and another buy at the stop loss. This can be the stop loss for the budgeted or the tight budget traders. So you can set your cut here if you want. But if you have an extra amount, you can DCA here and DCA here. Now, if ever the market still drop below, then I guess that's the time you decide to cut or consider it a loss. Okay, so let's put a uh, boundary on our trade. Okay, so to avoid further damage to your profile. But for me, as of now, this can be our potential stop loss. If ever this will play, I am expecting this to play upward, since I saw something in the lower time frame at the, I think, at the 15-minute or the 1 hour time frame. Let's check it first. I think it's on the 1 hour time frame. So in the 1 hour time frame, okay, it's on the 15-minute, I guess, 4 hours. Okay, it's on the 4 hour time frame. So in the 4 hour time frame, we notice Here I plotted a pitchfork. So um, I plot it here at these points and give me a projection of uh, trend lines. So we have a 5 trend line here. This is the median or the middle line, median line, and this is the resistance, and this is the support line. So this is the 50% of the lower support, and this is the 50% of the upper support. Now what happened? What happened here is after I placed uh, Fitch Fork here, the price um, gradually increasing the movement, and as you can see here, we have twice rejection, which is totally fine because this is the median line. So I'm expecting the price that it will react somewhere in this zone. So as you can see, there are three times attempt, or that there are three attempts to break this line, the median line. They attempt it once, they drop the price, attempt it twice, they drop again the price, but bounces on the middle, or the 50% of the support, uh, middle uh, middle of the middle fork support line. Then it bounced to the median line again, and then rejected again. Somehow it did hold somewhere here, and it managed to recover and drastically rally and break the upper 50% of the upper resistance line. So it pierces on the resistance, but as expected, the bears will show in this area. So the price rejected, and again it touches the 50%. It reacted and break out. Again, they try to retest it. It successfully put the price back to the support. I mean the previous resistance, and this is now the support now. So this is the new support. So the bear successfully put the price back to the support, but the eagerness of the bulls to push the price still on fire. So that's the reason why the price still goes up. So again, the fight between the bears and the bulls are tight here. So the price drop, and then that's the second time the bear tried to defend this area, but the bull successfully pushes the price upward. Now we have re- uh, large retracement here. It's because of the total of this in this area, this level from here to here. We consider it from 0% to 100%. This is the uh, key points, or the Fibonacci key points. So let's try to plot from here to the top. Then let's check what will be the price or the Fibonacci level here. I assume this is around 50% or 60% retracement, and it is now currently pushing upward. So I did not uh, plotted this Fibonacci. I plotted it just now, so we will both know what will be the Fibonacci level of this area. So we will both know at the same time just now. So we extend it a little bit. So let's try to lock it. As you can see, it hits around 61%, almost surpasses probably this is 65% retraced. So as you can see here, this is the Fibonacci, this is the 50%, this is the 30%, this is the 70%. So prices uh, got a rejection in this area, as you can see as well. So let's try to delete the Fibonacci. Let's recall the previous resistance, which is now a support. So the the bear tried to retest this area, which they failed to defend. The bear tried to retest again the price twice, rejected. Another attempt, rejected, and then now the price goes up. So this is the current price now, and I am hoping that the candle will trade above or inside this, in this zone, or probably here in this zone, or uh, much better, it will break instantly the median line, so that the median line will be the new support, and it will trade above the median line. But I am also expecting a revisit in this area, since this is a Quasimodo pattern. We have a higher high, I mean, we have a structure here. mm, my bad, this is not a valid structure, guys. Let me check. Is it valid? Yeah, indeed, this is valid Quasimodo. But I am not totally convinced, since the distance between this area and this area is almost quite totally near. But since this area breaks this uh, support, then yeah, let's consider this the lower low. Then the price break upward and try to retest somewhere in this area, which is currently, yeah, we're doing fine as of now. uh but I'm expecting to have a revisit here, but this price, as of now, this price, let's try to solidify the line. So we have to change of character here. That's the reason why uh the market retraced here in this area. As you can see, this is the good, this is also a good entry for the price to go up. So there is a 50% chance that the market will not revisit this price level. This, I think this is a 50% of the Fibonacci. Okay, we have already hit the 50%, so this can potentially go upward, or pushes the price upward, since we already meet the discounted 50% level of the retracement. So in this rally, we already retraced the 50%. We already successfully filled the 50% of the total volume of this rally. So 50% is already good, but somewhat price can still go down to 60% discount zone, and you can also hit the 75 as well. So you can entry now. Just set your stop loss somewhere in this last low in the support zone. So this can be probably 0.000040 1465. So I'll just type it here, 0.12344 1465. So this is our potential stop loss. So I'll make it large, so that okay, so this is the potential stop loss. So let's delete this one to clean our charts. So my technical analysis here is, um basically, I'm reading uh the line of the Pitchfork. So based on the history of the 4R, this is 4R chart, guys. So it is a solid candle movement. This is not just weak candle movement. This is 4 hour time frame, so it is a solid movement. So each rejection and breakout is a solid movement. So as you can see here, they retest. It got rejected twice, this area, and as you can see, the rejection precisely almost precisely touches the resistance or the previous resistance, which is now the support. And let's hope that this upward fork or the upper fork new support will hold somewhere here, bounce twice, then break, bounce, and then again break. So then the retest will happen, then break out. So let's hope that will happen, guys. As of now, it is already on the discounted zone. You can entry now. If if something happened to the market, then try to. If you don't want to cut somewhere in our on our stop loss, you can try to DCA here. Put another or the same price of or the same amount what you have purchased here. Like for example, you purchase $100 here. You can try to put another $1 here. I mean $100 here. So there's a total invested $200 total invested, and the potential is quite good if ever the price will pump. Uh, the price if the price dump here and after the dump you purchase here, then the price goes back again. Technically, once 50% bounce is hit, you can already call it break even, since the total possible profit in this area is $200. That's twice the total purchase in this area. So what uh what what is uh currently trading above will be average or dollar cost average in this entry. So once the price goes up, then you don't need to wait for 100% to call it a break even. But if ever the price bounce to 100%, then that's the time that you we will call it a profit, guys. So let's hope that the price will trade above and never revisit this area, this pitchfork downtrend. And let's hope if ever the price goes down, let's hope this price will hold. And if we check the higher time frame, I am looking at this now, harmonic pattern, guys. So if we try to plot a harmonic pattern, this can be potentially mm, not not totally precise pattern, but yeah, this can potentially pump to 1.218 somewhere here. So so the ideal take profit will be probably here in that area. That can be the peak price. The most ideal exit can be somewhere here in this area. So we have a strong resistance here. So we have a price action in this area. So we must respect this first. If ever the price managed to break out, then try to retest it, and then successfully rejected the price, then that's the time we try to aim the next target. As of now, I am suggesting you to take profit here. If ever the price got rejected, then you must take your profit in this area or somewhere here below in this area, since we are trying to check if the price will break or not. Okay, so again, if it breaks this area, try to retest, successfully rejected, then that's the time we will aim for this one. And if ever the boat price got rejected, I mean the boat price is breached and successfully rejected the price, then that's the time we aim the D leg. Okay, so that's the time we aim the D leg. We can also aim the D leg. There are, I think there are 1.2, 1.6, 1.8, 2.2, and 2.4, 2.6. There are six targets above, but this is the first target for D leg. Okay, so this is the first target for D leg, and we are still have somewhere here, here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, somewhere here in this area. So let's try to pull up Fibonacci so that you will I will uh, clear project the price of the D legs. This is not precise, guys, but somewhere near in this area. So this can be the first D leg. So first, this can be the second, the third, the fourth. We'll not consider this one. The fifth, the sixth. There are seven to be exact. Oh, there's eight, I guess. Yeah, there's eight. There's still this can still be a potential D leg. So the maximum D leg will be in this area, and that's the time the price will reject down to 50% and then bounce upward. Push the price uh, to its unknown target upward. As of now, let's try to focus in this price yet, since we still don't have any further candles to read upon. So what we are looking upward is delusional targets. So let's face that one. That are just delusional targets. But let's not remove the possibility, since it is part of the Fibonacci level of this point A and point B. So that's the Fibonacci projection of the levels. So we have levels that are projected by the Fibonacci. So it's part of still part of the target's potential target. Now again, let's focus here first, since this is not yet um, not yet breached. Okay, so it is not yet broken. It is still not yet reached by the price. So we still need a lot of money or market cap to fuel this price rally. So I think to hit the seven, somewhere here. Wait, yeah, somewhere here. If we try to aim this one, I think we need at least 70 dollar, or I think seven. No, not 700. I think 7 million, $70 million to hit this price level. We need that market cap to reach or to push the price here. I think let's try to calculate. Let's try to compute how much market cap we need to push the price to this level. Let's try to check if we can really hit the projected D leg. So let's try to check the projected D leg. This is the 0.030. So 0.00074. So let's copy this one. Try to paste it in this area. Try to go to CoinGecko. Sorry. Polx USDT. Let's check. the max supply. So we have the max supply of uh 100 2 billion million yeah, 100 billion. So okay, total circulating supply, my bad. Total circulating supply will be this one. So I guess we need fif 555 million. I guess it is reachable price. So we need around 55 million. Let's try to copy this one, or let's try to lock this. Put an arrow to the, and let's try to. So this delusional target needs to have oh, let's lock this one. Okay, so this delusional target needs to have a total market cap of 55 million 567,739.94 to hit or to reach this 2.816 leg. Okay, so yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe, and follow for more update. And yeah, peace and out, and chill.